On a family hike.
I don't have a backpack. Hi. Hallelujah.
Hey,
where we at?
Where we at?
So today we're doing Waterfall Glen. We are here, but we're gonna go to the waterfall and then do just a few miles. They have bathrooms over here, 2 actual indoor bathrooms. One, they're both handicapped, both all gender bathrooms, water.
Come back. From right here, we're gonna race to that tree, okay?
Y'all gonna race?
Go.
Oh, man.
No! Oh my gosh.
Let them.
No, Alina, no! Oh my gosh. Bro, what? Are you even scared? No. Hey!
Oh, damn.
Oh, wow. Alright, I'm gonna fix you back.
It'll probably change when you get the older you get.
And there's these really easy markers out here to tell you where you're going. So like we are headed to the waterfall, it's telling us that we need to go this way, back to the main trail. If you're trying to go to any of the other areas, they make it really easy to find your way out here, which is great.
That's it. No, not at this time.
Be careful.
No.
Ooh, I can't do it.
Have you seen the dragonfly? Oh, bro. Hey, y'all, we outside.
We in the wilderness.
We outside.
We in Mount Chippewa Woods.
We're not in Mount Chippewa. No.
That there's crawfish in Illinois. So we
Oh yeah, you
Didn't
trying
know
to go
that.
crawfishing? You come out here, catch you some good crawfish.
I don't know if you can eat this crawfish
fry it,
though.
put it in
Not
a
sure
bowl.
about that.
fried.
And fry it up and eat it.
Louisiana style.
Louisiana style.
I think they hide it from us right now because
They
they
are
hear us
hiding.
airing.
I'm saying, y'all, I got told Tasha, don't let me find a turtle or a frog out here. I'm taking it home with me.
Be careful,
More experienced hikers, they have these little off-path like trails that you can do if you know what you're doing and know how to navigate that. They do have those. Summer breeze makes me feel fine.
Going through the jungle, mama. Collard greens and corn bread and grits and all that good stuff with a Jerry curl dripping.
What?
And then you go, la da 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 da.
Wait.
Yeah, there you go, right.
Good job.